There are times when designing that the listed default 3D views will not be ideal for what a user needs to check or present a drawing. In these cases, users can use the Flyover tool to create a custom view. The Flyover tool simulates movement over and around a model. So if I wanted to angle the view of the lighthouse slightly, I can select the Flyover tool from the basic tool palette, and with the first mode, Interactive Origin mode, active, I click anywhere in the drawing to set the center of rotation. These dashed axis lines indicate the center of rotation. Then click on the drawing and drag in the direction of movement while you hold the mouse button down. To stop the movement, release the mouse button. Now if I have a specific object in my drawing I would like to rotate around, I can select that object. In this case, I'll use the center column at the top of the lighthouse and switch to the Object Center mode for the Flyover tool. Notice the rotation axis has moved to the center of the column because this mode rotates around the center of the selected object. Let's switch to the third mode, Active Layer Plane Origin mode. Just as its name would suggest, the center of rotation is set to the origin of the active layer plane. In this document, you can see the layer plane origin is to the left of our model. The last mode is Working Plane Origin mode, which rotates at the active working plane's origin point. So far, we have only used the Flyover tool with orthogonal views, but it also works in perspective views. All four of these modes behave the same as if you were in an orthogonal view, but when perspective is enabled, you can use the Flyover tool in combination with modifier keys to perform different actions. Holding the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on a Mac and moving while clicking and dragging to the right moves the view towards the center of rotation. Clicking and dragging to the left moves away from the center of rotation. Also, if you hold the Alt or Option keys and click and drag up, the observation point moves down towards the active layer plane, and clicking and dragging down moves up toward the active layer plane. You can see how using the Flyover tool will help you create views that you cannot achieve with the default orthogonal views to see details that may otherwise have been lost. It is an easy way to quickly customize views for presentation purposes.